What if drones could think for themselves and decide who lives or dies? Here's where we uncover the tech that could change the world or destroy it. Today, we're diving into DARPA's AI drones that might end human soldiers forever. Let's go. Drones have been a staple of modern warfare for decades, but DARPA, the Defense Advanced Research Projects Agency, is taking them to a terrifying new level. These aren't your typical remote-controlled drones. DARPA's latest programs involve AI-enabled autonomous drones that can operate without human input, making life-or-death decisions on the battlefield. In a 2024 statement, DARPA's Matt Turek, Deputy Director of the Information Innovation Office, said, "We're looking to advance. How do we get to a highly trustworthy AI that we can bet our lives on and ensure that not be a foolish thing to do? But here's the catch. What happens when that trust fails?" You won't believe what DARPA's already testing. Stick around to find out. DARPA has been pouring resources into AI drone tech, and their programs are straight out of a sci-fi movie. Take the Replicator Initiative, launched in 2023. Deputy Secretary of Defense Kathleen Hicks said, "Replicator seeks to galvanize progress in the too-slow shift of U.S. military innovation to leverage platforms that are small, smart, cheap, and many. The goal? Deploy thousands of AI-enabled drones by 2026 to counter threats from China." Then there's the ancillary program, Advanced Aircraft Infrastructure, Less Launch and Recovery. DARPA's Steve Comodina stated in 2024, "The goal of ancillary is to increase small vertical takeoff and landing uncrewed aerial system capabilities by a factor of 3 over the current state-of-the-art. These drones can take off from ships, conduct recon, and even strike enemies, all without human oversight." But what happens when these drones go rogue? You'll be shocked at what's already happened. Here's where things get scary. AI drones like these could replace human soldiers entirely. In 2021, DARPA's Timothy Chung, a program manager for their swarming portfolio, said, "When faced with attacks on several fronts, human control can sometimes get in the way of a mission because people are unable to react quickly enough." DARPA's tests showed that AI drones can outperform humans in complex scenarios, identifying and eliminating targets faster than any soldier could. But there's a dark side. Artificial intelligence isn't perfect. It can harbor biases or behave unpredictably. A vision algorithm might mistake a civilian for an enemy, leading to disaster. And with the Pentagon pushing for human-machine teaming, where drones work alongside soldiers, the line between man and machine is blurring fast. Comment below, would you trust an AI drone to protect you in war? Now, let's talk about the elephant in the room. What if these AI drones go rogue? DARPA's own research shows that AI systems can be tricked or manipulated. In lab tests, researchers have fooled AI into misidentifying targets. Imagine that on a battlefield. Thousands of drones, armed and autonomous, turning on their own creators. And it's not just a theory. In 2023, the Pentagon's Replicator program sparked controversy when experts warned that a mass deployment of AI drones could lead to unintended escalations. China, Russia, and others are racing to build their own AI drones, none of whom have signed a U.S. pledge to use military AI responsibly. This is a global arms race, and the stakes couldn't be higher. DARPA's AI drones could mark the end of human soldiers as we know them. By 2030, we might see battlefields dominated by machines, faster, smarter, and deadlier than any human. But at what cost? Will we lose control, or will this tech secure our future? The answer might be closer than you think. Stay tuned for more on the tech shaping tomorrow's wars. If you found this video eye-opening, hit that like button and subscribe. We'll keep digging into the future of military tech. Next up, China's hypersonic missiles. Check out our playlist for more, and let us know your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching. Keep your eyes on the horizon, and we'll see you in the next one.